Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to Tech Simba. This is Raju. Today I'm going to tell you about the complete hardware structure of the Arduino UNO. In this video, I'm going to tell you about what is PCB, what is SMD, how many pins are there in Arduino UNO, what is the difference between digital pins, analog pins, what is the PWM. These are the topics we are going to learn in this video. If you are beginner to this Arduino UNO or if you are beginner to this programming language, electronics concepts, no worry, you are in the correct place. I'm here to help you out to learn all these things in this channel. But in this video only, I'm going to tell you about the hardware structure of Arduino UNO. Before knowing of this Arduino UNO, you need to know about what is PCB, what is SMD. PCB stands for printed circuit board and SMD stands for surface mount device. PCB is nothing but a one such type of a board which made up with fiberglass sheets and coated with copper layer. It is like a surface sheet for making electronic gadgets, electronics things, which helps to connect all electronic components which are present in that project. Here the process for making PCBs. Bonding layers. I will tell you one example. If you want to glow a LED with the help of switch, what we need a switch, bulb, battery, wires. That's enough. We can easily glow a LED with the help of these things. Suppose if you want to glow 1000 LEDs with the help of switch, maybe it is possible, but it will take so much time and also it will large amount of space. Mates look like this. Do you understand these connections? Never, not possible to understand these connections. That's why PCBs are key for modern electronics. Today's technology, every electronic gadgets are made with these PCBs. Smartwatches, PCs, tiny electronic gadgets, all are possible with these PCBs. Okay, before PCBs came, connecting every electronic component side by side like this. Look at this mess. It's horrible, no? Before they came into 20th century, all electronic components like this. PCBs have basically made all modern electronics possible. The idea of embedding wires in a flat piece of board went by making its possible laptops small. Okay, this is Arduino PCB. The blue color board is nothing but PCB to connecting all components with help of this printed copper layers. These lines is nothing but copper lines which made on print with PCB printing machine. Okay, then what is SMD? After making of this PCB, we have to mount all electronic components in that surface of PCB. This process is nothing but surface mount technology. In this SMT process, soldering all electronic components which are designed for that product and detection of failures were done in this SMT process. Finally, making of PCB and this SMD technology to produce a motherboard. Arduino is one type of a motherboard. This is Arduino UNO board. UNO means one in Italian language because this Arduino from made in Italy. This UNO contains 8 328P 8-bit AVR family microcontroller. This is an open source microcontroller board developed by Arduino company. Arduino board has been used for engineering projects and some real-time projects applications. Do you know why these Arduino boards are popular? Because Arduino software. This Arduino software is very simple to use for beginners. Okay, there are three major Arduino boards: are Arduino UNO, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega. Now we are talking about Arduino UNO. This is at Mega 328P. This microcontroller have total 28 pins. Have already connected to these pins, which helps to user for easy connect. There are 14 input output digital pins from 0 to 13 and A0 to A5 6 input analog pin. Okay, this is power supply part. VIN. VIN is nothing but voltage input. If you want to use external power source, you can use this pin. And here ground pin, another ground pin, and here 5 volt output, and here 3.3 volts output, because some ICs need 3.3 voltage, so that's why Arduino given 3.3 voltage. Okay, coming to digital pins. Okay, this 0th pin and first pin can be used for serial data communication. Here it is, 0 is receiver, 1 is transmitter. 6 PWM pins. PWM is nothing but pulse width modulation. I will tell you in the next. Those pins denoted by negation symbol. Here 13 pin already connected to built-in LED. Here this Arduino, we have a small LED here. This pin already connected to 13 pin. Pin number 10, 11, 12, 13 pins also work as a SPI communication. Basically, serial peripheral interface communication bus, commonly used to send data between microcontroller and small peripherals such as sensors, shift registers, etc. Here A4 and A5 are also used for TWI communication. TWI is nothing but two-wire interface communication. This TWI provides unique two-wire communication such as for I2C displays, matrix displays, etc. Okay, now I am talking about PWM. PWM stands for pulse width modulation and it's producing square wave which you can control the high time. This is square wave. Yeah, in PWM signal, the minimum and maximum voltage value that the wave oscillation. This is the minimum voltage and here maximum voltage. Okay, the full repletion of cycle called period means this one maximum. Okay, one full repetition cycle called period. Okay, in this PWM, the duty cycle is very important topic. Duty cycle represent how much time in period in which signal is high. So if you want to calculate duty cycle, we need to calculate the high value. Okay. This is one cycle. One cycle is nothing but period. Here voltage minimum is voltage maximum. So here this signal is high and this signal is low. Okay, if you want to calculate duty cycle, you need to know what is the high time. That is, let us assume that it is 5 milliseconds and low time is 5 milliseconds. Percentage concepts we can calculate. 50% is high, so duty cycle is 50%. You can also calculate different types of values using percentage formula. In this way, let us assume that V minimum is 0, V maximum is 5 voltage. So 2.5 voltage. If you give 0 voltage minimum and maximum voltage 5, duty cycle is 50%, the output is 2.5 volts. So if you increase duty cycle, the output is high. If you decrease duty cycles, the voltage is low. This is type B USB port for dumping programs and giving power supply to this port, and this is DC power jack for external power source. And here you can see this is crystal oscillator. Basically crystal oscillator helps to Arduino dealing with time. Arduino calculate time with this crystal oscillator. And here capacitors, here voltage regulator. This is 3.3 voltage regulator, this one is 5 voltage regulator. Okay, this is the complete hardware structure for this Arduino UNO. And one more thing I have to tell you, the operational voltage for this Arduino UNO is 5 voltage and recommended voltage is 5 to 12 voltage. The maximum capacity of this voltage is 20 voltage. And if you feel it is useful to you, please subscribe my channel because it will motivate me to more videos. And in the next video I am going to explain about Arduino software and basics programs, how to operate this Arduino board with the help of this Arduino software.